clouds are looking a little ominous. We're still running around in this rain. I guess we're going out in the rain now. Hi guys, welcome to Family Fun Pack. We just picked our kids up from their summer camp at IMG and we are surprising them with a trip to Busch Gardens.
I'm so excited.
Oh my gosh, me too.
We have to do the best rides, like the ones with the loops in them.
Yes. I didn't think we were gonna be able to go here, so this is such a treat. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Hi, baby. We're just waiting for the big people on the ride. Oh, here we are. We're inside the store, just hanging out. Michael?
That was so fast.
That was a long ride, huh? Just kept going, lots of hills and unexpected twists.
That was amazing. It was so fast.
Oh, there's a manatee or something down there, guys. Maybe it'll swim over here. Oh, here it comes, David. Look. Look, Owen, it's a big manatee or something. Oh, it is a hippo, huh?
What is that?
Wow. That is so cool, guys. Wow.
It's so big.
Oh, it's going down into the water. Oh, that's so cool.
I see its teeth.
It says on the sign it's a crocodile. Wow, it's very, very big. Guys, there's a hyena over here. Yeah, it's under the rock. Those things have a really strong bite force. Oh my gosh, look how cute. You're like right next to it.
Wow.
Oh, it's cute, right?
Yeah. I wish I could then break this and
Got it? Yeah. There's the female, and there's the male. Fun fact, did you know that hyenas actually have a stronger bite than lions? Looks like we found your camping spot for the night. What do you guys think? Good accommodations? Chris, the lizard master, made a friend. Have a nice life, little lizard. I found a good place to wait for them while they're on the next ride. They're riding Montu right now, and I'm on this cute little bench. Stroller is right by me. I can't really see the kids there, but they're there. A friend joined me. Yeah, I was worried your cute new shoes were gonna come off, but they didn't. I have to say I'm a little dizzy after that one. Those clouds are looking a little ominous. gosh, look at the tortoise. So big. I love this animal. Oh. Hi.
He's looking at us.
Oh, he's coming over. He knows we love him.
Whoa. I wonder how much he is. Whoa. That's so cool. We should get one of those. Like that big.
I want that for my yard.
Hi, tortoise.
Hi, friend. Oh. Oh, this is our favorite part. Getting some cold mist. I love how colorful this is right here. It's beautiful here. Everyone's getting some food. Ooh, that looks yummy. There's a lot of space to eat in here and really good food too. She's like, what's that down there? They're doing a show up there now. It still hasn't started raining yet, but the wind is picking up.
There's rain.
Any minute now. You want the rain? Yeah. I'm good with whatever now. It's cloudy, we got food. We're good.
Oh yeah. Like it's perfect color.
This is for Alyssa. I think they painted it just for you. There's some wild thunder going on, so everything is closing out, the whole park, and we were told to take shelter. So we're heading somewhere. They just made an announcement. It's getting a little crazy out here. We saw actual strikes of lightning, so we're going inside. That's Florida for you. We're just eating smoothies and beating the rain while this guy plays the piano for us. Having fun.
Oh wow, it's raining really hard.
Wow, yeah, it's getting worse now. More people are running for cover. People are still running around in this rain. I guess we're going out in the rain now. We got tired of sitting around in there and said we might as well go look at animals or something. I'm gonna duck in here with Michael. Thank you, pal. All the rides are closed and they're probably gonna cancel the fireworks because of the rain and lightning and everything. But we're still having a fun time. Alyssa just spotted a rainbow.
Oh, it's pretty dim. I see it.
And yes, you are blind because you married me. Click like for dumb jokes. This fun lasted about 1 minute. Our restaurant's right behind us. And here we found another place to duck in and avoid the rain. You guys think we could bottle and ship some of this rain to California? We need it.
Maybe not too often. I like the rain. We don't have to deal with this.
Can I not grow a mustache and beard and just show this hair on my head?
So he doesn't want to grow a mustache or beard, but he wants to grow his head hair.
Yeah, you could have long hair.
I'll say yes to the mustache and beard.
Okay, deal. I'll do that.
Start
No,
growing
I just
it.
want to grow the front out so it goes super low.
Start growing a mustache and beard first.
Okay, I'll do that.
Kristine is still patiently, or is it desperately waiting for the rainbow to reappear?
I want to see it. I want it to be like some bright.
I recorded it and you could kind of see
We're
it.
the chasers. We're the rainbow chasers.
The rainbow
We are.
chasers.
The brighter, the better. And I'm patient. I'm willing to wait.
I think it's not getting brighter. I think it's kind of getting dimmer. I don't even see it.
I can see it right there. It's just,
You can see it?
yeah. I'm just waiting for it to get a little more vibrant.
Oh, there it is. It's still there. How about instead of chasing rainbows, why don't we wait until we see some rain and then we could leave the park? Oh, wait. Oh, he's like, what the heck is going on?
How are you doing?
This is like
Oh,
Chloe's
look at
first
it.
time seeing rain.
Oh, she's happy.
Hi, baby. This is so weird. Did you miss your sister? Hi, yes.
Look, her head is a little sweaty.
Oh, or is it rainwater? Maybe it's rainwater.
Sure, maybe.
Is that sweat or rain on the back?
I'm not sure.
You guys are taking her under the umbrella?
Yeah.
Well, Zach was being a nice big brother.
Look. I want to see if she likes rain.
So far, so good.
Look.
Oh,
You don't
she's
like
getting
it?
a little in her eyes.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, keep that over her head.
Okay. Let's go back.
Okay, they're taking her back to safety.
There's the baby. There's the baby. She's so happy. She's so happy. You like the rain, baby? Oh, she burst. Don't sit up on this cake.
There's Kristine over there pretending the rainbow's more vibrant.
It is a little more vibrant.
It's a full rainbow. It's not that dark, but you can see it. Okay, guys, we're gonna do a little challenge. First person to spot 10 raindrops wins.
I saw her.
Your challenges
Look,
are very
10
good.
raindrops right
I thought it was
there.
actually gonna be good. I know.
Uh-oh.
Oh my gosh, it's all over you. I know.
Let's see here. It got all
It's
over.
everywhere. Here you
You
go.
can just go rinse your arm off in
Do
the
the front
rain.
of her
Oh
shirt.
yeah, I'll just show you do.
And maybe you'll be able to count your 10 raindrops then too.
I'll rinse it all. Did you spit up everywhere?
No. It's just I feel much better now.
Do you like to spit up? Is that fun?
There's Kristine again pretending there's a rainbow. I guess you're just very optimistic. There's everyone else headed out in the rain. I think Dave and I are going to hang out here. Maybe play with our phones for a few minutes. Till Kristine texts me and gets mad at me for being lost. David's staying dry, playing with his phone. It's been a couple of minutes. We should probably head out before I get like 7 text messages. Text message goes something like this. How do you always get lost and leave all 7 kids with me? But there's usually a good reason, not always. But today I had to stop and get a couple different camera angles of a roller coaster we went on, the cheetah hunt. Oh, David's hurrying up like a good boy. So we're taking pictures in the rain now. Hey, the lighting looks really good. Family pictures in the rain. So David, you've got fabric shoes on, huh?
Yeah, they're gonna absorb every drop of rain.
Yep.
You already see there.
There's Owen under there trying to stay dry. Dave is getting called for the next family picture in the rain. There's Owen staying dry. It's always fun trying to get kids ready for family pictures. These kids say they don't like Cristiano Ronaldo, but here they are practicing his signature move, or celebration, I should say. Still trying to do another family picture.
Do you like the rain?
Looks like Chloe survived the family pictures.
Yeah. Chloe's probably thinking.
Oh, she's staring at the sky like, what is this?
She's probably like, what's that stuff falling on me?
You ride to have fun.
I know, all you need is rain and family, right?
Nobody's here. I can take good pictures.
Yeah. The lighting's really good thanks to the clouds. Said I'm gonna go to that puddle. Oh, all you needed was one stomp. It's getting dark and we're still doing a few more pictures. There's no such thing as too many photos, right? Now we're attempting to do pictures with the twins. This is probably gonna take the longest. And that's not because they're bad kids. They're just very energetic. See, they're making up their own poses. They just have a lot of energy. I've been taking pictures here for quite a while. So pretty. I love all the colors here. Kids are getting excited because the roller coaster is now open. Even though it's still raining a little bit, means there's no more lightning.
It's fun to do roller coasters in the rain.
Might not be a good idea right after a meal though. I'm stuck, but I'm going.
Here we go. Owen says, I'm here to go in the carousel. Walk that little thing. Oh. Well, that's one way. Owen, you're the only kid on the ride. How lucky is that? Okay, he's gonna get on that one. Have fun, you're the only kid on there. Oh, with your brother, okay. We're gonna go one more time because there's no wait, as you guys can see. And look, we're the only ones here to witness it. But let me tell you, I'm enjoying it. We're loving this show while Owen and Michael ride the carousel. It's perfect. They're just riding that carousel over and over during this amazing night of rain.
It was way faster than the Disneyland carousel.
Yeah, that's a pretty good carousel.
A lot better.
There's a fireworks show going on. Did you want to see it? Yeah? What do you think about the fact that you're the only one watching the show? It's pretty crazy, right? Yep, there's all the fireworks. Meanwhile, Alyssa and Michael are riding this ride right here. Was it fun?
Oh yeah, it was totally raining. I got soaked. We sat in water.
Oh gosh.
What'd you guys think of the fireworks?
They were amazing.
They just kept going on and on and on, and then they had this huge finale. That was really fun.
Like rainbows. They were
Yeah, they had a lot of cool, unique ones.
Here we go, no lines.
Yeah, nobody's in line. Have fun, guys. Kids are going again because we're the last ones in the park. You guys are brave.
I had my hair on. There was like a slow corkscrew at the top, and it was scary. Cause
Yeah.
It was fun.
Yeah.
With your hands up, and then it like holds you upside down, then goes back. Yeah, with your hands up, like a corkscrew really slow.
Yeah.
It's like really fun. I think there's fish under there.
There might be fish.
It's
pretty over here. We're almost to the new ride. That's where we're headed. We're gonna try to ride the brand new ride that they have just built here. Okay, we made it. Alyssa and Michael are gonna ride the Iron Quasi, and Owen is gonna probably try to go on this little ride right here. It says tallest, fastest, steepest. Everyone pick your category. Fastest is in the middle, Owen. Well, there's a lot of fast people in our family. I'll take myself into the tallest category with Alyssa. That's what Alyssa and Michael are on right now. It's pretty cool, guys. There they are, way over there.
That was like one of the craziest rides I've been on in my life. Like it went so high. They have really tight turns. Yeah, they did
Yeah.
that. There's a jump. I think it went exactly.
Oh, that sounds so fun.
And it went down super fast and did a really tight turn. It was crazy.
So you recommend it?
Oh yeah, I wasn't expecting anything like that high. I thought it was like a smaller one, and when I realized, like, wow. Yeah.
Okay, guys, despite the rain, this was a pretty stinking fun day, right?
Oh yeah, it was awesome.
Everyone had so much fun. We loved the rain. It cooled down the weather, and it made it just awesome. So,
The crowds disappeared.
oh yeah. Got to ride a whole bunch of rides in the last hour. It was amazing. We had such a fun time, and we cannot wait to come back. Thanks for watching our day. Bye.